Hello, we're just going out on a Friday night just for a drive because why not? It's currently 11:20-ish and we're just taking the DC2 for a drive just to really enjoy the car, I guess. One thing that I've noticed is I seem to be driving a little bit better because I've removed some of the slack from the throttle cable. So previously I had too much slack and I probably had close to probably a centimeter worth of movement before the throttle would actually open up. So I managed to fix that issue, and so far my driving is a little bit better, a bit more predictable. But we still have low idle. I don't know if we can do anything about that without actually having to dive into Honda, and I'm just gonna tinker around and see what I can do, and I'll make sure I save the original map on as a backup, so that way I don't completely destroy everything. And we'll see how that goes. So I'm heading to Dermot Car Wash now. Why Dermot Car Wash? Because why not? It's not too far, but it's far enough that I'm not too close to home either. So that's the reason why. This road, Station Road, is a trap. I don't trust it driving at night time because the amount of people that probably do gunning down this road, it's got me a little bit paranoid. And it'd be pretty cool, but no. Be responsible, guys. Look who I found. These guys are crazy. The stories that I'm hearing from this car, I'm telling them they should just tell it to the world, because man, it is crazy. What a clean car. Mine's that crack. This thing sounds absolutely fucking mental. Man, it's so cold right now, warming up the car, but pretty much this is what I love about the car scene. It's currently like 1:40 in the morning. Spent pretty much 2.5 hours just talking to NORIZZ and learning about their car and getting to know the people, and just what I love.